industrial aesthetics, commercial-grade design, the Align Pre-Rinse Spring Kitchen Faucet from Moen becomes the dramatic focal point in any kitchen, with just the right height needed to make cleaning large cookware easy. The faucet features a smooth pull-down of the hose, an effortless swivel with a full range of motion, and secure docking so the wand stays properly in place when not in use. The two-function pull-down spray wand allows you to easily switch from a steady, aerated stream to a robust spray that features power clean, providing more force while containing the splash. The Align Spring Kitchen Faucet is available in the most popular modern finishes for the kitchen. Choose chrome or Moen's exclusive spot-resist stainless finish. And of course, it's backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty. The Align Pre-Rinse Spring Kitchen Faucet from Moen.
Introducing Sweep Spray, Kohler's innovative spray function that makes kitchen cleanup easier and faster. Sweep Spray forms a wide blade of water that forcibly rinses food off plates. Its powerful spray also effortlessly moves debris down the drain and washes the basin. And accessing Sweep Spray is easy. Simply change from aerate to sweep with just the touch of a button. A powerful spray for a thorough wash, Sweep Spray will revolutionize your cleanup.